Welcome back to my channels. In this video, I will show you Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 character as Baby Cat, and Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 character and others favorite. If you are ready, let's get started. Doey the Doman. Doey the Doman as Baby Cat.
Hiya there, pal.
Dog Day.
Dog Day as Baby Cat.
Catnap.
Catnap as Baby Cat.
Alright. Hey, Theodore, how are your days going down here?
Crafty Corn.
Crafty Corn as Baby Cat.
My name is Crafty Corn and I will destroy the world. Yeah, my name is
Hoppy Hopscotch.
Hoppy Hopscotch as Baby Cat.
My name's Hoppy Hopscotch and I like to hop hop.
Kickin' Chicken.
Kickin' Chicken as Baby Cat.
Kickin' chicken's gonna go eat you. Kickin' chicken's gonna go eat you.
Bobby Bear Hug.
Bobby Bear Hug as Baby Cat.
Bobby, I'm Bobby Bear Hug. Yeah, I'm gonna give you
Bubba Bubba Fant.
Bubba Bubba Fin as Baby Cat.
Picky PG.
Picky Piggy as Baby Cat.
gonna go, yeah, go destroy them all. Piggy, piggy.
Baba Chops.
Baba Chops as Baby Cat.
Yarnaby.
Yarnaby as Baby Cat.
Raby Baby.
Robbie Baby as Baby Cat.
And I'm a little crazy, yeah, I am Raby Baby, and you are looking
Alistair Gator.
Alistair Gator as Baby Cat.
Ghost, I'm a predator, always at my post, got a long muscular tail.
Icky Licky.
Icky Licky as Baby Cat.
Icky, hi, I'm Icky Licky, and my hands are grippy, hi, I'm Icky Licky.
Nightmare critters and their favorite snacks. Baba Chops, Smart Food, Icky Licky, Cheetos, Raby Baby, Tasty Pastry, Alistair Gator, Doritos, Simon Smoke, Fritos, Poe, Pringles, Tui, Chex Mix, Maggie McCo, Rice Krispie Treaties, Nightmare Critters and their favorite drinks, Baba Chops, Mountain Dew, Icky Licky, Monster Energy Drink, Raby Baby, Poppy, Alistair Gator, Sprite, Simon Smoke, Zevia, Poe, Fanta Grape, Tui, Coke Zero, Maggie McCo, Prime. Nightmare Critters and their favorite movies. Baba Chops, Shaun the Sheep, Icky Licky, Ribbit, Raby Baby, Hotel Transylvania, Alistair Gator, Lyle Crocodile, Simon Smoke, How to Train Your Dragon, Poe, Rio, Tui, Ratatouille, Maggie McCo, Sea Level. Nightmare Critters and their favorite candies. Baba Chops, Milky Way, Icky Licky, M&M's, Raby Baby, Smart Sweets, Alistair Gator, Trolley Apple Candies, Simon Smoke, Sour Patch, Poe, Nerds, Twee, Three Musketeers, Maggie McCo, Jolly Rancher, Nightmare Critters and their favorite apps, Baba Chops, X, Icky Licky, Snapchat, Raby Baby, Tweetch, Alistair Gator, Spotify, Simon Smoke, Netflix, Poe, Firefox, Twee, Disney Plus, Maggie McCo, Vinted, Nightmare Critters and their biggest fears, Baba Chops, Making Friends, Icky Licky, Losing in a Competition, Raby Baby, Being Caught Gossiping, Alistair Gator, Working Hard, Simon Smoke, Losing Popularity, Poe, The Sun, Twee, Being Clean, Maggie McCo, Eating Vegetables, Nightmare Critters and their favorite mobile games, Baba Chops, Fortnite, Icky Licky, Pocket Frogs, Raby Baby, Candy Crush, Alistair Gator, Minecraft, Simon Smoke, Dragon City, Poe, Angry Birds, Twee, Roblox, Maggie McCo, Angry Shark Simulator, Nightmare Critters and their favorite desserts, Baba Chops, Black Forest Cake, Icky Licky, Cupcake, Raby Baby, Waffles, Alistair Gator, Green Velvet Cake, Simon Smoke, Swiss Roll, Poe, Cookies, Twee, Donuts, Maggie McCo, Ice Cream, Nightmare Critters and their favorite superheroes, Baba Chops, Magneto, Icky Licky, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Raby Baby, Rouge the Bat, Alistair Gator, Aquaman, Simon Smoke, Human Torch, Poe, Falcon, Twee, Ratcatcher, Maggie McCo, King Shark, Nightmare Critters and their favorite sports, Baba Chops, Mixed Martial Arts, Icky Licky, Racing, Raby Baby, Skydiving, Alistair Gator, Swimming, Simon Smoke, Archery, Poe, Parkour, Twee, Obstacle Courses, Maggie McCo, Surfing, Nightmare Critters and their favorite food, Baba Chops, Hay, Icky Licky, Crickets, Raby Baby, Insects, Alistair Gator, Steak, Simon Smoke, Happy Meal, Poe, Cereals, Tui, Cheese, Maggie McCo, Beef, Nightmare Critters and their favorite fruits, Baba Chops, Blackberries, Icky Licky, Pear, Raby Baby, Lychee Fruit, Alistair Gator, Kiwi, Simon Smoke, Watermelon, Poe, Passion Fruit, Tui, Elderberries, Maggie McCo, Blueberries.
Guess the character by emoji. First question, guess the character by emoji. Catnap. Next question.
This hoppy hopscotch.
Find the odd one out. Guess the character by emoji. Crafty corn. Next question. Bobby Bear Hug. Find the odd one out. Guess the character by emoji. Bubba Bubba Fant. Next question. Kickin' chicken. Find the odd one out. Guess the character by emoji. Picky PG. Next question. Boba chops. Find the odd one out. Guess the character by emoji. Miss Delight. Next question. It's Huggy Wuggy. Find the odd one out. Find the odd one out.